Yes, yes, yes. I feel like headphones, you could absolutely never go wrong with any kind of headphones. Headphones are just like an essential. You could literally have multiple and you'll use them all, because when one of them doesn't have battery, you could move on to the next and the next, you know? So you could pretty much have as many headphones as you want, right? The moment my sister sent me that text message that she had purchased these headphones, I was like, whoa. But not only that, when she told me that she wanted me to do the honor and make an unboxing video, my brain was didn't know what to do. Yes, she purchased the AirPods Max. I will also do that one day. I promise. It is 2023. I am going to set myself goals, and honestly, like, I watched so many unboxing videos of these and I'm so excited. I feel like she should be doing that, but you know, she's so nice for letting me do it. Ooh. Oh no. In the color, I don't know the actual color. I just know it's like green, but does it have like a special fancy name? It's just green with light green headband. The color? The color? Can we talk about the color? Let's just get right into it. So here we have the little thingy. And now we're just gonna... Is it like a present? We could just go any direction. You're lying. You're lying. These are not real. Oh my goodness. Here, I thought I got a little scent, but I don't know. Okay, I don't... Let's just do it. Let's rip off the band-aid right now. Here it is. This is so hard to open. I need help. I need assistance right now. Ooh. Oh. No, no, no. No. Oh. I knew I was smelling something. You're lying. It kind of smells like pool mixed with like paint. Like, that's not the focus of this video, but can you see me having these? Oh. ASMR moment. You're lying. I need a moment to really appreciate these. These are so cold. All right, let's just get, Whoa, it has a little paper that you have to like get rid of. How do I get rid of it? Oh my goodness, this is too much responsibility. Too much responsibility. Oh. Cause who? Oh my goodness, this is so fancy. Wow. I'm just gonna take these off and just straight off the bat see what it feels like, because I want to see what they feel like. How does this work? Is there a left and a right? Oh, I see it. Yep. Hello. You're lying. You're lying. You're kidding. I literally can't hear myself. I can't. What's happening? I'm seriously confused because I didn't do anything. Yeah, I guess it just automatically turns on like when you put them on. Don't know. Okay. But anyways, I'm gonna keep them on just so you can see what they look like once they're on, because yeah, obviously it comes with this little thingy for you to place them in here. I could already imagine the kinds of like cases these have. I need to get myself some of these ASAP. I'm so happy that somebody that I know like has them, and now I could see if I want them, like, you know. Oh my goodness, these are honestly so cool. Now I feel like I'm talking so loud compared to how I was. Okay, this is too much clearly for me, but yes, these are beautiful. These are stunning. But anyway, once we look at the actual box, we do have, you know, you already know everything that it comes, that Apple products come with. We already know. We'll take a look later. But what's important is that we know that this is here, and we also have the little charger. Yeah. And then, well, that's pretty much like all that was in here. That was something. So here are the AirPods Max up close. Look at that beautiful color. This color is absolutely super beautiful, looks super elegant. Here's a closer look on the inside and just kind of like what it looks like. Obviously it's very cushiony, very comfortable. And once again, the color is simply beautiful. I am absolutely in love with them, and like I said, I will make it my goal to have these because they look fancy. Like literally, I've been seeing people wearing them all the time, and I'll literally see someone walking by and they just look amazing. I don't know what it is. These are just beautiful and they feel so nice. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and put it back, see how like that will work, because it does look a little hard, or maybe like I just don't know how to do it. Actually here it's pretty easy. I think that's how you do it. And that's it. It's like a little purse, you know, like you could carry it around places, but you should definitely get yourself a case because they honestly do feel luxurious. They feel luxurious because they are. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Hey, can you hear me? Can you hear me? Sister, can you hear me? You can't hear me?
Can't hear you.
What?
Try it.
Bro. Can you hear me?
It goes louder.
Can you hear me? Hey, can you hear? Cool? Cool? Is it cool? This was just a quick unboxing video for you to see how beautiful these headphones are. I absolutely just love them, and as soon as I placed them on, it automatically noise canceled everything. I didn't even have to do anything. They just did it on their own, which was absolutely amazing. Clearly I was freaking out. I was like, what's happening? But yeah, that's pretty much all for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that all of you are having a wonderful day. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. That's pretty much it. Wait, hold on. And don't forget to follow me on the rest of my social medias. They will be linked down below in the description. And now that's pretty much it. Hope all of you are being safe, and once again, love you all.